Hey guys, Chef Anthony here. Today we're talking about the steam oven, really focusing on the convection steam setting. Let me break down what I got here. So in this tray right here, and Wolf gives you this huge tray, which helps out a ton to do a lot of meals and a lot of bulk. We have pre-cooked sticky rice here. I just paired it up with some raw broccoli, some white onion petals. We put some olive oil, some seasoning, and some hoisin on top. And really, we're gonna rehydrate that rice while cooking these vegetables in a crispy 375 convection steam. Probably 8 or 10 minutes, depending on your veg size and cut. It could vary, but this is gonna be an amazing dish with rehydrated rice in the end. So let's pop the hood like we always say here. Look at that. Twin fan convection, huge amount of steam. Big trays. We're gonna put this right on rack 3, let it sit right in there, and we're gonna let it in and go to work. We'll see you in about 8 minutes. All right, ready to take it out. Convection steam, 375. Let's pull this guy out. Nice and easy. Look at this. All right, here's the finish. Here's what we wanna see. Look at that. Caramelized, crispy vegetables, tender rice. That's really the steam and convection at its finest. Look at that. That's gonna eat amazingly and show really nice. So that's an awesome one for a nice veggie stir fry with rice.